Hi there everyone, I'm Mark Ayers, CEO of A1 Financial USA. Our company offers loans to those businesses that get declined by a bank. That's our main function. We want American businesses to thrive, so we do everything in our power to get money that you need for your business. We do offer SBA loans in just 15 days. You try to do it yourself, you're going to be waiting 3 to 4 months. They're very slow. But we have a special training that we took with the government, and we can get them in 15 days. We also pre-prepare your loan with the SBA so that it doesn't get declined. We know what they want, we know what they look for. We prepare your loan, we walk you through it, we help you put your file together, and then you get your funding. And they're all 30-year terms on the SBA. Very difficult to get, however. You have to have 2 years of squeaky clean tax returns, enough volume, enough sales, very good bank records, and a credit score of 680 or higher. So they're very tough. If you have all those, let's get you an SBA and get you on your way. Now, if you get declined by the government, we can get you funding. 98.6% of those folks that get declined for an SBA, we get them funded. 98.6. Almost everybody. We have so many ways and so many lenders in our circle, over 900 lenders, and 7 of them are billionaires that fund every category, every sector, every financial situation. If you have a thriving business, making money, we can even fund you if you have a credit score as low as 300. That's right, folks. We got a lady that owned a beauty salon. Her FICO score was 386. We got her $23,000. I tell this to people, they can't believe it. I go, hey, she was doing 60 grand a month. Her bank, had 30 grand in it. She was doing great. She had bad credit for personal credit card problems. Too many stops at Starbucks, too many purses bought at the luxury store. But her business was solid. And that's what we look for. If your business is semi-solid, we'll get you money. And if it isn't, we will, for free, teach you how to get it to where it should be. That's what we do. We help people. Problems that companies face are these: low credit score, short time in business, a sole proprietorship, previous bankruptcy, previous defaults, misfiled paperwork, NSFs in their bank, incomplete applications. These are the reasons that businesses get declined. We can fix all of these, folks. We fund people one day out of bankruptcy. We funded people in bankruptcy. Very hard to do, but we can do it. If you're out, if it's been discharged one day, we get you funding. We want you to get your money fast. We found that waiting 3 weeks for your money, it just was not acceptable. We funded a business in as quick as 45 minutes, and almost all of them take less than 24 hours. If it's a big property deal, it can take a little longer, but that's everywhere. You can't get that quicker anywhere. You know how the real estate industry is. But anything up to 25 million, 24 hours, no problem. We have 100% positive reviews all over the internet. Check us out. Everyone loves us because we're just here to help. We want you to become our lifetime client, so we treat you like kings and queens out there, folks. We want you to succeed. If you're struggling and can't get funded, we will give you 30 days of free coaching to get you funded. After the 30 days, if you still not get funded, we'll give you another 30 days free. We're here to help you, folks. We're here to find money for you. We even have some off-the-cuff programs that can get you money even if you're not ready. It may have a fee. It may need some accounting work done, but we have ways of doing it. If you really need the money and you're really who you say you are, fraud is a big thing out there, so we do watch for that. If you're a fraud, don't call us. We only work with real people that need real money. We'll find a way. We'll find a way to get you the money you need. Requirements. Applying is simple. 1 page online, folks. Very quick. It's like 20 questions, if that. Very simple, very quick. You can do it in a minute and a half. 1 page online. You do need a valid ID. Driver's license, state ID card, or U.S. passport are all forms of valid ID. If your license has expired, but you got your paper from the DMV saying that you passed your test, then that's good. We just need that. You need a healthy business checking account. Cannot be negative. Should have at least $1,000 end of month balance. We'll get you money one way or another if it's humanly possible. Thanks to our 900 lenders, 7 of which are billionaires, we'll get you the money you need. We can fund all types of files too. Many folks have problems because of certain situations they're in. Here's some examples. Credit score under 680, as low as 300 is okay. You have a tax lien, we'll get your funding. If you had a prior bankruptcy, possibly even in bankruptcy now, we have ways to get you funding. You have NSFs, insufficient funds in your bank. In most cases, we can get you funded. We have one lender that will fund up to 27 NSFs in a month. If you have 28, they decline you, but that's rare. If it's a slow time of the year for you, we might be able to get you approved. We do have seasonal lenders. You have large corporate clients not paying on time, we can get you money using those contracts. Gather those contracts, send them with your documents, we'll find money for you. Previous non-financial criminal record, no problem. If you have a financial criminal record, we'll have to shift you to a personal loan. We can get you up to $675,000 in personal loans. May not be as fast. Do you owe back child support? That one is usually a killer from most every business, but we have people that work with law enforcement to ensure that part of the money goes to the child, part goes to you. Are you late 1 month on your rent? In most cases, we can get you approved. You had a previous default, but you paid it off, we'll get you funded. You had a previous default, but you're paying on it still, we should be able to get you funded. You have a previous default, but that lender went out of business, we can get you funded. What if you have a high-risk industry such as marijuana or trucking or construction? We have lenders for all three of those tough situations. What if you're in a high-risk state like Texas or Florida? We have lenders there, we can get you approved. Now, let's say you have an issue not on that list that I just read to you. Let's say you're a non-revenue startup business, but you have a 679 or higher FICO score. You have solid income, and you have 2 years of tax returns that are squeaky clean. We can get you funded up to $675,000. Let's say you're a low revenue business owner, but you have that 680 plus FICO score. We can also get you up to $675,000. Let's say you're a qualified business owner, but you don't own the building that your business is in, but you need $5,000 up to $25 million. We can get you approved. Let's say you have a credit card of $550 and a bank account. We can get you funded up to $50,000. That varies by state, but that's the max. Let's say you own a publicly traded company or part of it, majority part of it, but you don't own the building, we can get you funding up to $25 million. Now, if you own a building, we can fund you up to $500 million, depending upon the value, the LTV of that building. Now, let's say you have an issue not on that second list I just spoke about. It's a near impossible file, but not impossible. A1 has hundreds of non-conventional lenders. We have a way to get even your seemingly impossible situation funding. We can help you. Call us, 909-930-9159. Leave a clear message with our AI Ladybot that answers the phone, please. We'll call you right back. Don't turn your phone off. Please stay by your phone. We'll call you right back. If you leave a legible message that slowly says your phone number, we'll call you right back. We're just on the phone with so many clients. We have an AI bot manage our calls. If you've been spinning your wheels in mud, there's finally a way out. We're A1 Financial USA. We're not called A1 because we're second best. We're called A1 because we prove it every day that we're number one.